Okay, I'm going to show you how to use the climate function in the Volt dashboard. I'm looking right at the center console of my Volt dashboard. And if you notice, there's a little thing that says climate on the white part just underneath the viewing screen. Now, if you press that, it's going to take you to your climate page. It just opens up right there. And there you can do all the different functions. But we're going to go to the home page. I'm going to show you how to get there from the home page. If you slide over to the right, you're going to see it says climate control. You're going to press that. It's going to take you to your climate control page. Bam. And there we are. We're back in the climate control page. All right, so to get it rolling, what you want to do is come over and you can click on comfort, and that turns it on. And you can see that you get a little green bar inside of that little field. Now, if I press on the little one, it'll disappear and turn it off. All right, so let's go back and turn it back on. By pressing the big fan, it increases the amount of AC that you're going to get in the car. It also takes away a little bit of the efficiency of the charge. By pressing the little one, it makes it smaller. You can see that little green line pulling back. You can also do it right here. There's a fan there. You just click it, it goes higher. Click the little one and it goes lower. And that's how you do it manually with your fingers. If you don't want to fool with that and you want it just to be on auto, all you do is press this auto button and it'll bring the temperature inside the car down to 68 degrees. And watch here, we'll press it and you'll notice that bar just disappears and it says auto. That means that the car is just taking care of it for you and you don't have to do anything. Now if you want to turn it off, you got to come over here and click on here and pull it all the way back manually to get it to the off position. And that's how you do it from the auto position. Now, if you want it to hit you in the face, you press this one. If you want it to hit your face and your feet, you press that. If you just want your feet, or if you need to defrost your window, you press that one. You can also go to Eco, and that is going to save you a lot of your charge. You notice it's only 14%. If I go to over here and look at it, I got 28 miles, and I'd be using about 10% of that towards cooling of the car on my trip. So instead of getting 28 miles, of course, you're going to get probably about 24 miles. Now, if you put it to the comfort, it's going to take a little bit more out of your charge. You got about 23% used at just that first setting, that first green bar, and that would pull 20% off whatever your charge is. Let's say you got a 40-mile charge, you're going to lose 8 miles of travel, and you're only going to be able to go about 32 miles. The amount of cooling can be set by pressing the red one, it goes up, and if you press the blue one, it goes down. So however cold you want it in the cockpit, that's where you control that. And we've got it set at 68 because Lynette likes to be cold. If you want to heat up your butt and you're in Michigan and it's cold, you press that. Here's another one for the passenger side. And that's pretty much how you use it. That's how you use the climate control. And let's go back to the home screen. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my other videos. I've got a bunch of them on how to use your Volt.